viewers and subscribers, welcome back to the channel Jamaican Farmers Hut. At this time, as you can see in my hand here, it's all about mesh. Hope my measurement is right, you know what I mean? So right about now, going to spread it out on the grass here, yeah, because I have a nice lawn here. So I'm gonna spread it out, do some measurement and see the best way how I can get it around the nursery. All right, viewers and subscribers, stick around. Don't forget to like, share and to subscribe to my channel.
Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Jamaican farmers.
Ready, we ready, and we gone. We are plant pumpkin and we are plant some corn. Yes, my people, welcome back to my channel. And please remember to like, share, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out.
Yeah, my viewers, the mesh fall in two. All right, try to open out this end here. So yeah, it's all about mesh time. So I'm gonna judge the best way to get it around the nursery here, so I don't lose an inch. So I'm planning to carry it from this end right around, because the pipe is metal. Right around, just carry it right around it, right back here. So I'm gonna do some measurement to see how well is that, you know what I mean? Yeah man. So after the front here is mesh, I'm gonna mesh it straight through. Then I'm going to strip right around the door, strip right around here, and then cut the mesh to get the door, as the door can open. So the door is gonna mesh, everywhere is gonna mesh. All right, stick around with viewers. Yeah man, meshing time, my people. Meshing time. This side don't draw as yet. Yeah, this side don't draw as yet. But I put a draw on this side. You know what I mean? Yeah, this side of a draw. Alright. Yeah, my viewers. Alright, I'm gonna draw this side now and tack it. Yeah. Yes, my viewers. Second day upon the mesh. The first day, yesterday, water catch me, rain catch me. But we did well want the rain. See? Yeah, so you don't know. Second day upon the mesh. So yeah, I go on good so far. Stick around. Yeah man, you see right now, kinda lock myself inside. I can't do the back yet. If I do the back, I go lock inside. Yeah, you know what I mean? So right now, I have to finalize the door. So right now, as you can see, the door is all meshed over. Alright, I'm gonna strip on the outside here of the door jamb. After me mesh, me strip outside here, me strip the door. After me do that, me cut in between. Cut the door, that's it can open. So I have to deal with that right now. So stick around. See how the door strip around and then open, alright? This is the door jamb. Yeah, strip around the door jamb. So the door leave now, alright? Alright, my viewers, the door is stripped right now. As you can see, the second stripping. Yeah man, so it's all about time for the razor now, you know? Time for the razor, my people. Stick around. That is it. That is it. That is the door. Yeah, man. We can catch this side now. Yeah? Going to catch this side. All the way up here. Yeah? And to that side there. So I can't lock in myself anymore. You know what I mean? Alright, my viewers, stick around. That is through the mesh. How it look? Yeah? Alright. Yes, I. Yeah, man. Side them kind of finish, you know. Front, back, side here. Finish. Yeah. So next time I come back, I go attack the top, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. Attack the top, you know? Yeah. Doorway cut out and everything. Seeing? You mean, man? Yeah. Nursery ready. Yeah. Yes, I. Seeing? Real one. So yeah. Yes, my viewers. Yeah, man, ready. I know who go in the mesh room, you know. I know who go in the mesh room, so I don't have to cuss. Alright. Alright. Time to get the top line up now. Cut off all the hedges. Yeah. This is the best way I can get the mesh to go right around it. To do all of it. Alright. So yes. All of the side is up. As you can see. It is time for the top. Alright. I have a piece of mesh leaf here for the top. But it is too narrow. So what I have to do, I cut it in three. As you can see, I cut it in three here. I'm going to get the thin fish line to sew it. Alright. Yeah. Yeah, man. Sew it on machine. Yes, machine. That's what I'm talking about. I do tailoring for 29 years. So, you know, yeah. I know my way around the machine, the sewing machine. Alright. So, yes, as you can see, I'm going to put these three pieces together and sew it with the fish line. And then come and spread it across the top. As you can see. Alright. So, yes, my viewers. This is what's going on the nursery here, alright? Stick around, see what's coming next. Yep. Get some little stitches on it, you know what I mean? Yeah. One more day upon it, my viewers. One more day upon it. Deal with the top, you know. Sort it out. Make sure everything good. See? Stick and stay. Don't move. Yeah, man, it's all about get the long piece of splice mesh in one. So you don't know. Get some nylon thread. Yeah. And sew it. Alright. Yeah, man. A long time I know the sewing. I don't know. Do 29 years of tailoring. I don't know. So it's all about. And guess what? Still have my machine up and running. Two machines. My serger and my other machine. Yeah, man. So you don't know. See it here? Right, pan it up, it go right now. Stick and stay and don't move. Soon forward. My viewers, me can't talk too loud. Me dey right in the wasp nest. Right in the village. Watch it. Me can't talk too loud, you know. Me soon we hear. Yes, I. Almost there. Yeah, this is the top, my viewers. Yeah, almost there. Just going around the hedge and stripping the edge, you know. The edges, yeah. For real, man. So, soon show you inside what's going on. Alright? See. Yes, I. Ready. The top is on, you know. Yeah. The top is on. Yeah, the top is on, my viewers. The top is on. Yeah. Yeah. Come on, nursery ready for plant up, you know, so it is time now for me to make some benches here for the trays them to go on. You know what I mean? Yeah, so next time I'm gonna clean out everything inside here, sweep it out, you know, and get the benches ready for the trays. These are the board that going to make the benches. All right. Yeah. So one is gonna be here. There is gonna be a walkway. Supposed to do next one here, a walkway. So about 3 to 4 row of benches can in here for trays to lay on. All right. So stick around, my viewers. Yeah, man. The top is on, the side is on, everywhere is on, the door is on, you know what I mean? So yes, my viewers, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel, alright? Yeah, man, I'll close my door, you know. Yeah, and I'll leave out scene. So yes, my viewers, don't know what it's all about. Jamaican farmers out. Next time around, alright? Yeah, man, peace. My name is Ever Slick and I'm out, alright? You want to watch the next video? Watch this one. But if you don't like that one, you can watch this one over here. Alright? Peace, I'm out.